aroi longle kangle madim MLA Dr. Momin lapen water resources asai kam chelang si kilang charidang. Diphu Medical College and Hospital along angtan pan kibang atumapan Nipho quarantine padoderapi quarantine center along kapachidam. Hamren Driver Association ang bong lockdown ke pha RG ki dingajok kichuo son kacheron. Kardom pini prime time bertalang penili sami jilihan sepi non bertang ton pen RG tha. Barla por hot aroi langke thipen penangan aroi kung longle kanglem lapusondo. Lason se dhansari aroi langke thiajok neparpati along longle kanglem adimalong MLA Dr. Numal Momin pen langcharidam. Bokajan Legislative Assembly Constituency ang kangaro Dhonsari alangroy lang theyajok penangan along le kanglem penajok kaphiri mimi ang angsi nang le bomlo. Lason thotsi neparpati along setami langroy ari along mitar pharo circle pra phokep along le bangke langke the along panglem ponerajok phiri mimi anpinlo. Bangso along le kanglem adimalong longle ke khangdun jia phanpura pini Bokajan LAC MLA Dr. Numal Momin MAC Mukut Mohanta lapen water resources engineer Miji Kropen danglok ki ongdung asai khiatum adimalongan palidam. Labangso mitar pharo circle pra phokep along le kangle madang alongan neparpati ahawar dhansari alangroy longle kanglem pen ki khangdun jia phanpura scheme dengponlo. Lapen bangso sai kapachun pon jia phan Assam Sarkar pen state on priority development THEC pen SOPD pen si sai dengponpo. Neparpati ahawar longle kangle mademalong non nangkileji ningkreng apor hotsi sai kiklem kapachun ponjia phansi water resources asai campaign kachisik padupon. News Desk Report Karbianglong Live. Diphu Medical College along angtan pen kibang atumapan Nipho quarantine center along padodarapi puthot alang litum ahawar along kapathik pon quarantine center mate home quarantine kapado alongan administration atum ke thondun. Nomati constituency angkang There be lapan There timung arong kedo There arong LP school along quarantine center kibi pon along pini Diphu Medical College along angtan pen kibang abang pu atumapan Diphu along Nipho quarantine padodarapi puthot alang litumapan amithang ahawar adungarai kibi pon alongan Karbianglong district administration atumpen There arong LP school quarantine center along nang thonsi puthot ni throksi quarantine kapadodia phan pinkhat ponlo. Lapusona por hod habar ke hat police station OC Embora lapan gojan terang atumpen danglok pinangan ke theke dingarar atumta chitongdun. Denarong pen Bikram Teron Karbianglong Live. Non malomso dihina maupan bertang ton ponik sinan.
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbianglong Diphu at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Dihina mo phi puthot betar jupanthek lonang. Mahamaya Korkanthi Lapen Langhin Mondel Congress Committee Anparta Dokmoka Town Congress atum Chelangra Petsi Samilangso Development Block asa hemalong Radaki Sungaputhak ke hang pasopansi Pinpuralo ke Pajardam. COVID-19 pena jong depi kanker klaka por hot kiduk kila garada tumaphan sarkar pen kirap kapajar ponjia phan ason scheme deng ponlo. Bonta bangso scheme pena jok Mahamaya Korkanthi Lapen Langhin constituency malong kiklem kidam ki chokche Lapen kapanglim dopu akoy PC pini Mahamaya Korkanthi Lapen Langhin Mandal Congress Committee Anparta Dokmoka Town Congress tum Chelangra Petsi Samilangso Development Block asa hemalong Pinpuralo Pajardam. Pinpuralo along kijong ponatengke Bharat Sarkar pen saichatiki arada tumaphan kedeng pon Pradhan Mantri Krishak Nidhi Scheme pen saichatiki arada tumaphan kipinang jia tangka Mahamaya Korkanthi Lapen Langhin ahabar malongki kilongbek nang jia tum long lesi kiplang kipi mate chokomar asa kiklematum si longrong mu NFSA card kawe tumaphanta sang dali kirap kapajar nang jipu Sarkar pen hukum pidera phita kilong leatum dopiklo Lapen sikasuri isiatangka kiron alongta kapanglim dolo. Lasi lahai kado kabe aputhak tarli pamekanang jipusi Pinpuralo along kihang pasupon. Pinpuralo along kijong thuki Assam pen angtan kido abang pia tumaphan anutin bank account along suri hinini atangka thapi jipu. Sarkar pen pangdakon si online pen amen pachi thapjia phan pachini ponlo. Bonta Langhin Mahamaya Lapen Korkanthi constituency angkang angtan ke dodam penangan abang pia tumki bangso tangka non anta longdun delang. Lapen lockdown pen ajok company industry kang hapet pen kisung kachicak nang bom angtan ke dodam atumaphan Sarkar ahin pen achik lo janwang suri ke batangka ke rapajer dun bom nang jipu hai hui aputhak sontroksi alam the Pinpuralo along ki jong padoponsi ki hang pasopon. Pinpuralo kapajar damahot Korkanthi MCC Amaiphu Harsingkro Kongchunbang Prameshwar Ingti Mahamaya MCC Kongchunbang Singh Ingti Lapen Langhin MCC Amaiphu Sundar Singh Teron atumpensi Japonlin Dongmokak pen Semsing Ingti Karbi Anglong Live. Hamren Driver Association Klembang Phukado kabe bang Pharohini sose angbong Sarkar aphan cheki ke pinpen kachirap seroy along sang dali ke chojang thu me koichet lapen ke choang ti cheron ponrinti West Karbi Anglong ahempi Hamren Rong Supi along Driver Association ahin pen pini vosik achiklo ni phai isi ada porphai circle pra achitem apor Hamren Driver Association along kado kabe bang Pharohini sose angbong ke cho son among kacheron asai dengpon Pinpur me pirthe adang along novel coronavirus mate COVID-19 ake sokang dang pen mone daok chekom rom pen kedo ke thak nang ajok penangan kangcher kalang ida ke song chichak nang no bangso jok Hamren Driver Association along Klembang Phu driver lapen handyman atum angbong kachirap seroy ason ben sang dali sabun kecho ingti kecho jang thu me koi chet hai hui kacheron asai dengpong la bangso sai kedeng along manpeng pen kachopha alohi sarpo Hamren OC Dependas Owner Association Amaiphu Krishna Prasad Sharma, Hamren Driver Association along Chief Observer Philip Timong, Travel Agent Leader Velcro atum chetong nonsi Maya long RDP dun.
Driver handyman atum elitum sang sabsabe tame la lockdown period along elitum ta sang siron ponang pupen elitum kisik pon pen pini elitum pachun ponong lo pen elitum arado long driver handyman assistant pen mang Pharohini arado elitum asonamung ke du tame elitum sang piponlong lo la pen ke aputhot han dali yang thu sabun mesh ingti lan si alang litum han ron pon thekchalo
mai ke do along jasimet lockdown ke pha along sarkar pen kapathika ron khoi dunang ji la solong mass recovery nang ji social distance ar muke ong along ke do che thak nang ji angtan kachang data mate kacharli damatuma phan quarantine center along kapado ji aphan sarkar along cherap dunang ji buthan pariteka
মাস্ক পৰিধান কৰক ডিস্টেন্স মেইনটেইন কৰক নিজেও বচক আনকো বচক এই যিটো স্লোগান আমি সকলোৱে মানি চলিব লাগিব আৰু বৰ্তমান সময়ত যিটো চৰকাৰৰ পৰা জনতা কাৰফিউ দিয়া হৈছে নিশা 9 বজাৰ পৰা 5 বজালৈকে আমি আজি সকলো আমাৰ ড্ৰাইভাৰ এছ'চিয়েশ্যন অনাৰ এছ'চিয়েশ্যন লেবাৰ সকল আমি সকলোকে জনাই দিছো যাতে এই চৰকাৰৰ যিটো নিৰ্দেশাৱলী সেই নিৰ্দেশাৱলী আমি সকলোৱে আখৰ আখৰ পালন কৰিব লাগিব
Hamren Pendeneling hi Karbiang live Pini prime time aberta kelapon sa kang tonig lo do me thak me kardom